Hello, and thank you for choosing Alliance Sensors Group, a division of HG Schaevitz LLC. Today we will be discussing the use of LVIT position sensor technology in autonomous vehicles. LVITs, or linear variable inductance transducers, are contactless linear position sensors that offer high reliability, durability, and performance at a reasonable cost. These features make them ideal sensors for numerous internal systems functions in many forms of autonomous vehicles. SAE standard J3016 has 6 levels for classifying autonomous vehicles based on different degrees of operational freedom or automation. SAE level 2 and higher are the classes of interest for LVITs. It is important to note that all of these applications for LVIT position sensors have nothing at all to do with the position and space of the vehicle itself. Typical vehicular system functions include steering, throttle, and braking controls, seat positioning and comfort controls, stability augmentation, autopilot speed control systems, auto parking systems, and cabin ventilation control systems. LVITs can also be useful in interactive control systems for transmissions and transaxles. In most AV applications, an LVIT position sensor is the position feedback element in a closed-loop servo system. A typical example is measuring the front and rear suspension level in a stability augmentation system for luxury cars. In these systems, an LVIT is mounted in tandem with the shock absorbers, or might even be built into the shocks. When used in auto parking systems, LVITs can give feedback from the vehicle's steering linkage that comports with the algorithm being used by the steering control system for parking. Of course, these same types of applications can also be found in many conventional or non-autonomous vehicles. The contactless inductive nature of LVITs is a standout feature of these low-cost, high-reliability position sensors. Contactless means that there is no internal electrical contact that can wear out, and LVITs are DC in, DC out devices, which minimizes the need for auxiliary electronics, lowering system costs. LVITs can also offer bus-ready digital outputs. In addition, since they are absolute output devices, LVITs will produce a proper output without any recalibration or system homing, even after being powered off. Another key advantage for LVIT position sensors is their very favorable stroke-to-length ratio and swivel rod ends that make it easy to fit LVITs into mechanical systems with limited space available. ASG recommends these series of LVITs for use in autonomous vehicle systems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this instructional video and want to hear from us again, please click the subscribe button and push the bell to turn on notifications. For additional technical resources, please visit our website, alliancesensors.com.